Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel. In this video, we'll discuss that how to do fast addition if they given you a series like this and you have to find the sum of the numbers. So let's start with today's video and check the solution. So we know the formula that average is equals to sum over n. So from here, I can calculate the value of sum is equals to average times n. You know the formula for average, that is first term plus last term divided by 2. Our first term is 2, last term is 30 divided by 2 is 32 divided by 2 is 16. Similarly, the formula for number of terms is last term minus first term divided by the difference plus 1. Last term is 30, 30 minus 2 is 28 over 4 plus 1, that is 7 plus 1, that is 8. So we put the value in this, sum is equals to average is 16 times 8, that is 128. That's how you can find the addition sum so quickly. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel.